Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to mark any movie or TV show as unwatched in Netflix and how to reset watch progress. To do this, it's very simple. You have to go to your Netflix app and after that, click on your profile. And after that, go and look for continue watching and the name of your profile. And after that, click on the three dots below that movie or TV show and click from remove from row. And after that, click on remove again. And like that, you are all set. You have marked that movie or TV show as unwatched and you had reset your watch progress for this movie or TV show. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you